How to fix TikTok Studio not showing on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of TikTok Studio not showing up on TikTok. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and then simply search for TikTok application. If you see an update button over there, simply tap on update in order to update it to its latest version. After this, go ahead and check if the problem is fixed. If not, move on to the next step. Go ahead and open your TikTok application and then go to your profile section by tapping on user in the bottom. If you still don't see the TikTok Studio button appearing over there, you need to go ahead and tap on the three lines in the top, then go to settings and privacy. From here, go to privacy, tap on suggest your account to others, and then simply toggle the switches for all the options. If they are off, toggle them on, and then close the app and check if the issue is resolved. If not, again open your TikTok, go to your profile, tap on the three lines, go to settings and privacy, scroll down and tap on report a problem. Again, scroll down and tap on chat with us. This will open a chat or conversation page. You need to go ahead and type a message describing about your issue. A TikTok support representative will chat with you and provide instructions on how you can fix the issue, either through troubleshooting steps or by fixing it directly. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.